Hey dear. We are going to show you best 5 car pressure washer under $50 professional car interior cleaning we've created. This list is based on my personal opinion based on our research and the value of sustainability, and further, we include options for each type of consumer. So if you are looking for the best product money, want to buy a good product, of course, you will find the link in the description below to see more information and updated prices on the products mentioned. So let's start with best 5 car pressure washer under $50 professional car interior cleaning. Number 5 brand name, Fraflor. Specifications: type, portable and vehicle mounted. Power, 60W high pressure water pump with built-in pressure switch. Working voltage, DC 12V, with car cigarette lighter adapter. Inlet water pipe, 1.2 m. Outlet water pipe, 8 m. Power connector, car cigarette lighter. Free shipping, high pressure self-priming electric car wash washer water. Pump 12V car washer washing machine cigarette lighter. For more information, product link in the description box. Number 4 brand name, Nozzles. Features: suitable for car upholstery cleaning, wool, leather car upholstery, dashboard, steering wheel, door panels, carpet, floor mats, car roof, the surface of the motor, the tire surface, the surface of the wheel. Water saving switch, easy to control. Equipped with a brush for easy cleaning, narrow gap. Using the new tornado bearing rotor design, smaller startup pressure, speed faster, better cleaning effect. Air car cleaning gun, pneumatic car tool dry cleaner, tornado apparatus with metal bearing turbo. For more information, product link in the description box. Number 3 brand name, Karcher. Features: the portable car shower kit is an item for indoors and outdoors. Great for shower, cleaning your car, dog, etc. Work with water container, not included. Voltage, 12V, car cigarette socket. Specifications: material, plastic. Color, multicolor. Size, 80x80 mm. New powerful car washer, 12V portable car shower washer set, electric pump, outdoor camping car wash, travel cleaning tool. For more information, product link in the description box. Number 2 brand name, Rundon Auto Accessories. Air pulse device, tornado pneumatic dust gun, car interior cleaning gun, portable air gun. US interface, with brush head. Professional, produces enormous power with a very small air compressor. Works with your air compressor to blast cleaning solution into crevices you can reach by hand. Widely used, suitable for cleaning wool, car upholstery, leather car upholstery. Dashboard, steering wheel, door panels, carpet, floor mats, car roof, the engine. Surface, the surface of the tire, wheel surface, and so on. Portable and durable, air pulse spray nozzle and hose design inserted in the deep bottle to make an excellent capacity of cleaning, environment friendly, construction for lasting value. For more information, product link in the description box. Number 1 brand name, Vivo. Feature: complete low pressure washer kit, easily connects to your garden hose. No complicated setup or equipment required. Your garden hose is now a foaming pressure washer, producing suds instantly. Bottle fill lines, no need for guessing. The bottle fill lines tell you exactly how much soap and water to mix. Standard garden hose attachment connects directly to your garden hose right out of the box. No complicated extra hose attachments required. Leak-free nozzle. The precision fit rubber seal ensures a leak-free connection. For more information, product link in the description box. Thank you for watching this video.